This is our 65 Chrysler Newport two-door coupe. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk-around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk-around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. Then after that, there will be some clips of the interior, as well as under the hood with the car running. So the car was originally actually Nassau Blue Metallic, and it still retains its original red vinyl interior. Blue on red, a really interesting color combination. You can tell here it was resprayed relatively poorly a while back in black. There are a number of signs of age. Again, you'll see close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes a little bit later. There's no bubbling on the car, but quite a few signs of paint aging. The polished pieces, like the bumpers and the trim, are all in really nice shape with minimal oxidation. 15-inch torque thrust style wheels are very, very nice, with no curb rash or anything like that. The BFG radial TAs are actually from 2018, so those are great. You can see there on both rear quarters, there is a clear tape line and then kind of gross paint towards the rear of the quarter. Glass and light lenses are all clear and crack-free, though the driver rear window is a little difficult to roll up and down. Need some assistance. The car runs and drives extremely well. Last year it had not only tires but also new shocks and springs, so the ride is excellent. No noises, rattles, nothing of concern. I mean, you could buy this in daily and fly in, drive home with confidence. Believe it is the original motor. The car is a 65. The date code on the B Series 383 big block indicates it was made in late December of '64, so that would be consistent. Automatic trans. Runs really, really well. The odometer indicates 55,500 miles, 5-digit odometer, and since the car's been painted, we have no way to tell what the actual mileage is. Now here are close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. You can see a couple little dings, little wrinkles in that trim on the front. A little paint bubble there on the hood, about the size of a quarter. Come on down, front fender. You can see some significant checking. Bunch of little door dings, chips and scratches, but again, no bubbling, no rust. Cosmetic is not the selling point of this car. It is the fact that it runs and drives extremely well, reliable. In there on the driver rear quarter corner, in direct sunlight, you can again see some checking, signs of age. Bunch of little nibs on the rear deck lid. And then you can see there where I mentioned the tape line, where somebody clearly, tried to do the painting at home. Car has been converted from R12 to R134 fittings for the air conditioning. Air conditioning does blow cold. Fan and heater also functional. Door panels are in nice shape. Armrests were replaced. You can tell they're a little lighter red than the rest. Dash top has a couple little cracks. There's photos of it there in the listing, but it does have the matching dash pad to go on top. Doors open and close, nice and smooth. You can tell there's some little chips and scratches on the lower dash. While the air is functional, the radio is not. The wipers and wiper sprayers are functional. Gauges are functional, and an aftermarket temp gauge has been mounted below the dash. Original red vinyl interior. car will come with, for the front, 2 really nice thick sheepskin covers, which were on the car when we got it. Passenger seat's in nice shape, just a little bit of burst seam going on at the bottom. Driver's seat bottom has a few burst seams, you can see there, as well as on the outer bolster. Rears are mint, look to have seldom been used. Carpet's very nice throughout. It's red, it's not tired or discolored or anything like that, no fraying. White perforated headliner is in really nice shape.